How to use Grok AI for daily planning and task list. Need help staying organized? Grok AI can plan your entire day in a few seconds, and here's how to do it. First, open Grok AI and type create a daily plan for me or make a task list for a busy freelancer. It will instantly generate a timeline or bullet list of activities with breaks, focus hours, and priorities. You can also specify make it for a student or create a productivity schedule for remote work. Ask Grok to add motivational quotes or break large tasks into smaller goals. It keeps your plan more encouraging and realistic. How do you use AI to stay productive every day? Share your method in the comments below. That's how you can use Grok AI for daily planning and task list. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.